Hey, this is Trapper Red. Shout goes out to my buddy Kerry. I see you on the messenger or something. Anyways, I'll get to you in a minute, buddy. I'm doing a video about how to refill these Hewlett Packard 901s. So you peel the label off. See the label? Fun with ink. Getting messy here. So you take the cartridge. Here's an empty one. You fill it. To fill it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to have an eyedropper or something like this. This is what I found, and I got the Higgins calligraphy ink. And notice how I got like half of it gone already. That's because this is my last one. I've already done 3. Got one in the printer. It's working, so I know it works here. So just squeeze these down slow into the holes, the top 3 holes. See, like so. And you're gonna want to fill it up with, they say 4 milliliters. They also say to use a syringe, but I'm using this eyedropper right here, like so. Notice I got 2 done already, and they're sitting on a paper towel. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to let it set for a little while, and then see those 2 bottom holes? Those are the air holes. What you're going to want to do is wipe the excess off these 2 holes. Here, let me take these off. With a paper towel, wipe the excess off, and then tape it. I'm just using the regular label. Here, I'm going to put this between my legs and hold it. Hopefully it will stay while I do this. And I'll put this old label back on to cover those 3 holes. And then I'm going to use Scotch tape. See, like so. I don't want to tip it because it's got ink in it now. And if you, okay, I put originally 9, 3 in each dropper, not full all the way, like halfway full. It was too much. So the reason I'm showing you now is because I don't want it bleeding out of these holes, and we're going to tip it and dump the excess off if any excess comes out. If no excess comes out, we didn't fill it up enough. If excess comes out those 2 breather holes down at the bottom, then we did it right, and we'll pour it back into the container from which it came and save it. That means the sponge is saturated. See how I got this taped now? Now what I'm going to do is, you can hear it, you squish it around, and you swirl it around a little bit, the excess ink, watch. It will come out the breather hole if there's any. It will run out. Maybe I did it right this time. I don't see any coming out. So the other thing you're gonna want to do, see the little bit that's come out right here when I started shaking. Look, see. If you don't overfill it, you put about 6 of those eyedroppers in, 2 in each hole. Should be about right. That's what I'm finding out. You don't need a syringe. You just need one medicine dropper like this. One of these glass droppers. Comes in a little medicine vials. Now the other thing you're going to want to do is take some of this, and you're going to prime this right here. See this down here? Okay, see, it's already priming it itself, but you're going to want to prime it by putting some more in here, like so. See that? I don't want to get it all drippy all over everything again. This makes a mess. Anyways, see how that is? That's called priming it. Alright, and then just tip it up, and then you just let it set on the paper, and the print head will absorb the sponge. The sponge will absorb the ink, and the print head has been primed, so should be all good. There's 3 that are refilled right now, and I got 1 in the printer. Let me show you the results of that page, because I did a test. It's busy day here at the farm. Anyway, look, that's my test right here page. Yeah, this is Higgins waterproof calligraphy ink. It seems to be working. Chart pack. They make a formulation. This waterproof black ink. They make a black ink formulation. Higgins does. It's the same size, 2.5, 2.5 fluid, or 73.9 milliliters worth, for about $6, $5.87, something like that at Michael's. So that's a good deal. It comes in this jug like this. I got about, I've done 4 cartridges. We had 4 black ones, and I got half the supply left still. So that's pretty good in my opinion. Hope HP doesn't hate me for that. But man's got to save money where he can save money. And we bought 4 cartridges at about $17 a pop plus the tax. So call it about almost $19 each. Call it 20. So 20 times 4, 80. $80 counting the gas to get there and back. Yeah, at least. So we're saving some money now. I got a jug of Higgins for $5.87 plus the tax at Michael's, and this eyedropper he had hanging around the house. So there we go. We got 4 refilled cartridges. We're using our HP printer. This Trap Red, over and out.